Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Musabbiha Munib. I am in grade 4. Today I am going to present my math presentation. Please next. Chapter number 7, squares and rectangle. Both is square. Square have 4 sides and each side of the square is equal to each other. As you can see in this picture, this line of the square is 4 cm. So it means this line and this line is also 4 cm. Both is rectangle. Rectangle also have 4 sides, but 2 of them are equal to each other and other 2 of them are equal to each other. As you can see in this picture, if this is 6 cm, so it means this is also 6 cm. If this is 2 cm, so it means this is also 2 cm. Please next. This is a square named ABCD. AB is equal to this centimeter. If this line is 4 cm, so it means this line is also 4 cm. So the answer is 4 cm. AD parallel to dash. Parallel means आमने सामने. This is the line AD and AD is parallel to BC. So the answer is BC. Angle MCD is equal to dash degree. This is the angle MCD. The degree of a whole square is 90 degree and this is 50 degree. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. So the answer is 40 degree. So please next. This is a rectangle named QRST. ST is equal to dash centimeter. This is the line ST. If this is 25 cm, so it means this is also 25 cm. So the answer is 25 cm. RT parallel to dash. This is the RT and it is parallel to QS. So the answer is QS. Angle KS is equal to dash. The degree of a whole rectangle is 90 degree and this is 34 degree. 90 minus 34 is equal to 56 degree. So the answer is 56 degrees. So please next. Which of these are square? There are 3 figures A, B, C. Figure A and C are square because figure A and C have 4 equal sides, but figure B is not a square because its all sides are not equal to each other and it has 3 sides. As you can see in this picture, figure B has 3 sides and all sides are not equal, but figure A and C have 4 equal sides. So please next. Chapter number 8, decimal. A decimal has whole number and its fraction part of a whole is placed after decimal point. For example, 22.14, 0.15 and 1.223 are decimals. 10 definition. A tenth is 1 out of 10 equal parts. It is placed right after decimal point. For example, there are 4 tenths and 1.4. So please next. 100. A 100 is 1 out of 100 equal parts. It is placed second to the right of a decimal point. For example, there are 9 hundreds in 40.79. Example of decimal. In this line, there are 10 blocks and 4 of them are shaded. So our fraction is 4 upon 10. We have 10 and 10 have only 1 0. So it means we have to write one number after the point. So our answer is 0.4. So please next. Example of 10. Convert each fraction into decimal. 4 whole 7 upon 10 is equal to 4.7. 8 whole 9 upon 10 is equal to 8.9. 29 upon 10 is equal to 2.9. So please next. Example. In this rectangle, there are 100 blocks and 50 of them are shaded. So our fraction is 50 upon 100. We have 100 and in 100 there are 2 zeros. So it means we have to write 2 numbers after the point. 50 upon 100 is equal to 0.50. So please next. Rounding of decimal. Definition. It involves making a decimal simpler by shortening it to a given number of decimal places. For example, first decimal place. It is on the first decimal place and we have to answer on the first decimal place. And after the 8 we have 7. If the digit is 5 or more, we round up. If the digit is 4 or less, we round down. In this example, we have 7, so we round up. This sign is called approximately. 3.8742 approximately to 3.9. So please next. Chapter number 10, area and perimeter. Area, the amount of a flat surface around the boundary of a figure. It is measured in square units. Perimeter, the perimeter is the total distance around a figure. Teacher, please next. There are two formulas of area. First, area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. Area of square, length multiplied by length. The shorter side of a rectangle is called breadth and the longer side of a rectangle is called length. So we have to answer what is the area of this rectangle. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So our area is 10 centimeter square. Whenever we write area, we have to write a small 2 upon 2 centimeter. And this 2 is called square. Now we have to tell the perimeter of this rectangle. The formula of perimeter is length plus length, then breadth plus breadth, then plus the both answer. So our length is 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Then our breadth is 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 24 plus 8 is equal to 32 centimeters. So our perimeter is 32 centimeters. So please next. Thank you.